Good morning and welcome to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets for Thursday the 23rd of January. Please do not forget that this video is for informational purposes and make sure that you've read the disclaimer which is at the bottom of the morning report page on our website. We've actually had a fairly disappointing handover from the Asian trading hours. The main driver behind that was the weak and disappointing Chinese flash PMI data that came in at 49.6, which is below the 50 mark, which signals now a move back into contraction, but this is also a 6-month low for this figure and also missed expectations. So a little bit of a disappointment from that. Certainly risk appetite has been hit overnight. Certainly the Asian stock markets were all lower, but also the Aussie dollar had another bit of a disappointing session, trading around about 0.5% lower, and certainly that is not a good handover for the European markets at the open. However, what we've had in just literally in the last few minutes has been the fact that the Eurozone PMIs have come out. France actually had a very good set of PMIs. Both manufacturing and services PMIs were better than expectation. That came out at 8 o'clock GMT, and the euro has spiked sharply higher on the back of that, and that has certainly helped the euro against all its crosses. Euro dollar and euro sterling have bounced significantly on the back of that. Also, the German PMI data has also now come out as well. The manufacturing beat expectations, although the services PMI was slightly disappointing, but certainly the euro is on the run this morning. In other announcements today, you've got to watch out for this afternoon is the US weekly jobless claims. That is always of interest, certainly with the thresholds of the unemployment data in sharp market focus, but also the existing home sales, which again, housing in the States is a big issue and can certainly drive sentiment this afternoon. So this morning we're being driven by this level, these Eurozone moves on the PMIs, but this afternoon maybe more so from the US side. But looking at the chart of the day, which is Euro Sterling, I've picked. Euro Sterling had a big breakdown yesterday, confirmed that move below the 0.8226 support that we've been seeing, and that now takes Euro Sterling to a 12-month low on this chart. So that is a big breakdown. The technical indicators are not positive. They're not in configuration of any positivity. The RSI is disappointing. The MACD lines are below the zero line, and this breakdown I think is a fairly big move. And also you've got the moving averages all in decline, so the outlook is not all that strong. This euro move today has just had a bounce back, and I think that this could now just be an intraday bounce that is another chance to sell. You've got this zone of trading from yesterday, 8,210 up towards 8,237, and that is suggesting that I think that could be a nice bit of a zone that you should be looking at as a selling opportunity. Certainly anything up towards that 8263 I think would be a decent chance to sell today. These again, these intraday momentum indicators are in bearish configuration. The MACD lines below the zero line. The RSI, yeah, it's on a run higher, but I still think that's a fairly a weak configuration there. So I think this is just another chance to sell today in Euro Sterling. Okay, so thank you very much for listening. The other charts will be on the website. Euro dollar, cable, gold and dollar yen are all there, so I hope you check them out, and I will speak to you soon. Thank you very much for listening.